I don't know how we got here so fast, but it's time to usher in a new year, and the holidays may be over, but I have a gift for you. This is a download that I'm calling Traceable Treasures, and I will link in the description, the pinned comment, and up in the corner of the video where you can access this download for free. But what it is several different designs that you can cut out and use with carbon paper on your rocks to just kind of help you out. A lot of people have expressed that they get frustrated with writing, and so this is to just help you out. So because I have a black background, I'm going to use my white carbon paper, and I'm going to just place the design that I picked over the top and secure it with skinny washi tape. You could use regular tape, masking tape, painter's tape, any of that stuff will work. So I'm just going to secure it to the top and then take a dotting tool. You can also trace over it with a pencil or a pen and just go over the design to transfer it to the rock. These traceable treasures are going to be the new free perk for the Rockstar channel members, and they will get one every month that is suited for the theme of the season. But I wanted to say goodbye to 2023 and welcome 2024 by giving you a gift with this free download so that you have some traceables to play with. When I pull this off, you're going to see that there's a few nicks and scratches where I hit the carbon paper with my nail or with the dotting tool, but that's okay. We can come back and clean that up with some black paint. But for now, I'm going to take this Pen Touch Gold paint pen. It's very chromy. I love this pen. I can't remember where I got it. I think I got it off Amazon, so I'll link that in the description as well. But I'm just going to trace over the writing on this rock. So I'm just tracing over it, and then I'm thickening up the downstrokes like you've seen me do in video after video to give it the calligraphy look, the faux calligraphy. And this just gives you a nice template to trace, especially if you feel like you struggle with the writing, because that comment gets put quite a bit. Now I'm just going to come back through with some black paint and a disposable eyeliner brush and catch all of those little nick marks where I want them to be a solid black color and just fill them in. For the little background accent designs, I decided I wanted to try and play with my Aiuli watercolors because they have such pretty sparkle. So I got out this dot card that I have that has different holographic like silvers. And so I'm tracing, I guess it's a wine glass or a champagne glass that's behind. And then there's all these little kind of bursts and stars that I'm also going to go over with the watercolors. The biggest challenge here is that you have to really look at the consistency with the watercolor, because if it's too wet, it will run, and I did have that problem. But the nice thing about it is you can use that disposable eyeliner brush, again, with the black paint, and come back and kind of clean up the design a little bit. So I came back and kind of circled around some of those dots and just cleaned up some of the little bursts because they ran, because there was too much water, whatever. So that's kind of one of the beauties of black paint, is you can kind of come back in and just paint over it if there's a mistake. I also decided that these stars were just too funky looking, so I just painted over them with black and added some more of the bubbly dots instead. Now I'm going to take this DecoArt Gold Holographic Illusions paint and just give a nice outline around my black background, just to give it extra sparkle. It's a nice chunky glitter with different sizes and lots of dimension. So there was a whole lot of detail in this design, and I want to show you that these are for you to make your own. So I'm going to do the same design again, except I'm only going to focus on the writing on this one, not the little details in the background. And I'm going to take this new gel pen that I just got. I will link these in the description because they are so smooth. I got a gold, a silver, and a white. But I'm just going to fill in the writing because I thought that detail work in the back was a little busy. It was a little tricky to get it filled in. So I'm starting with the writing and then I'm going to add my own accents. So I'm taking some silver glitter paint and I'm just going to add some kind of bursts and dots to this to make it sparkly silver. And then I'm going to come back in with a different color of the holographic illusion paint. That's that nice chunky glitter. And again, outline the outside. Here's another example of how I used one of the traceables as a guide and created a cool rock. So these are a tool that you can use to help you as little or as much as you want. And if you're interested in getting one every month, come join us over in the Rockstar channel membership. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next year. Maybe a little sooner if I can swing it. Take care.